Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include premium wheels, air conditioning, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Take a ride in the 2017 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.